Hey guys, welcome to another daily vlog. So right now I'm driving off to the office because it's the time of the year where I can get my new luggage, check-in luggage. So it's been how many years na hindi ako kumukuha sa office because I really wanted to have a hard case luggage. Sawa na ako sa canvas material, and maganda kasi pag hard case luggage, you can put a lot of stuff, and at the same time parang mas sanay ako na hard case luggage yung gamit kasi with all my removal luggages, lahat hard case. So mas alam kong paano i-pack pag nag-abroad ako. And also, if I plan to play tennis abroad or sa layover ko, at least makakapagdala ako ng tennis racket without any problem. Kasi sa current luggage ko ngayon, my tennis racket won't fit. Hindi kaya. Alam mo yung last time na bumili ako sa New York ng tennis racket, I really have to ask a colleague pa to bring it home for me. Kasi hindi ko mauwi. But anyway, sana yun yung makuha ko luggage today. Then after that one, I'm going to Ayala Mall para i-check yung Lamy fountain pen na gusto ko bilhin. Kasi gusto ko na ulit bumalik sa fountain pen. I usually use ballpoint para sa mga journal ko, sa notes, letters, ganun. Pero I think it's much better for me to use fountain pen. Especially, I love writing personalized notes. Kaya, yun yung gagawin natin sa Ayala Malls. Tapos, tingin din ako ng Lectum na na journal. Tingnan ko kung meron sila dun sa Fully Book or sa National Bookstore. I rarely get to see a lectern na journal kasi usually ginagamit ko talaga Moleskine, but upon reading reviews, yung Moleskine paper daw hindi masyado maganda for fountain pen writing, na which is gusto ko okay sa fountain pen na hindi nagbo-blot yung ink. Kasi pag nagbo-blot yun, hindi natutuyo agad sa paper, kakalat agad yun eh. Kaya yun, tingnan natin. Samahan nyo ako at tingnan natin kung bibiling ko talaga yung Lamy fountain pen na gusto kong tignan. Tingnan natin kung may stock, yung color rin na gusto ko, and all the stuff that I need for writing. Yun lang. Tapos after that siguro, let's just chill in the cafe, grab some drink, add some contents, and start doing journal na manual. Kasi what I usually use is my e-journal sa laptop. So, parang naiisip ko na, what if bumalik ako sa sa handwriting talaga, 'di ba? Para mas damang-dama mo yung pag-journal mo. I love journaling, guys. So, para matandaan ko lahat ng bagay sa buhay ko, sinusulat ko lahat, video ko, pinipicturean ko lahat. So, I have memories of my everyday talaga. Kaya yun, you guys can try that one. Sobrang ganda, sobrang nakakatuwa, and fulfilling, lalo na pag matagal mo nang ginagawa and araw-araw mo ginagawa, or whenever you feel like doing it. Sobrang ganda gawin, nakakatuwa, fulfilling siya sa buhay. Then someday makikita mo na lang na parang pagbabalikan mo, dito pala ako pumunta yung ganitong day or ganitong year, ganun. Kaya masaya siya. Kaya try nyo rin mag-journal, guys. So now malapit na ako sa office, and I'll see you guys later. So guys, nakuha ko na yung luggage ko. Yay! The luggage that I want, hard case, finally. Check out the weather, guys. It's gloomy weather today. For sure, anytime soon is going to rain. Kaya pasok na tayo sa parking agad para hindi na tayo mabasa pa. Kaya for sure it's going to pour down. So they have different colors for the Safari fountain pen. But I really wanted to get the charcoal black. Where is that one?
Tuloy mo na yung assistance mo. Yes, ma'am.
I need the ink.
This ink, ma'am.
Hey guys, so I got my Lamy products already. So I got several items here sa bag. Mamaya, i-unbox natin sa kotse. Okay guys, so I just got back in the car. So papakita ko na sa inyo ngayon kung ano yung mga kinuha ko sa Lamy. Okay, so let's start off with... Actually, I got 3 things from Lamy. First is ito, obviously the pen. I really wanted to buy a new fountain pen. And upon checking yung mga reviews sa YouTube, nakita ako maganda yung review nitong Lamy Safari fountain pen. So, when you buy this one, you have the option if you want to have a fine tip or medium tip. Pero ako kasi, I'm left-handed person, so I opted to buy an extra tip, which is pang left hand talaga. So, parang may code siya, when you check the tip, may code siya na LH dun sa nib niya. So, yun yung preferred for left-handed. And walang specification if it's extra fine, medium, yung nib pag left-handed. Isa lang talaga siya. So, yun yung pinapalitan ko dito sa sa pen ko mismo. This is the Safari fountain pen. Tapos, syempre dito, pina-personalize ko ng name ko. Pina-engrave ko dito yung name ko. Syempre, akin to, diba? Tapos, yung extra nib na kinuha ko, nakasama talaga ng pen, is fine na lang. Para yun yung pwede ko gamitin sa journaling. Tapos itong left-handed, kasi this is medium nib. Yung left hand na na nib, it's good for letters. Dun ko talaga balak gamitin yun para maganda yung letters ko and personal notes ko. So ayan. Tapos sa loob niya, may kasama siyang converter and 2 inks. Pero, ang staple nila na binibigay, blue ink. Eh, hindi man ako gumagamit ng blue. So, sabi ko, shit, how will I use my fountain pen? Eh, I usually use black for my fountain pen. Kaya lang, and other pens also, black talaga ako. Hindi ako nagbo-blue. Never ako nag-blue. Ito lang daw meron sila kasi wala pang delivery. But it's okay. Sabi ko, sige, wala naman akong magagawa. Hintay na lang ako ng delivery nyo, diba? Or tingnan ko kung mabibili ko sa ibang bansa. Then, eto na tayo sa second item. Excuse me. Kaagaling ko lang sa sakit din. Ito na. Pinakita nila sa akin tong ink na to. And the color of this ink is petrol. Petrol yung color. Walang nakalagay dito sa box, pero let's see kung meron dito sa bottle. Sobrang nakakatuwa itong bottle na to. Kasi if you get a 50 ml bottle ng Lamy, there's this tissue paper here para pa magre-refill ka dun sa converter nila. Hindi matatapon. So this is a 50 ml. Then the color is petrol. Tapos, alam mo, pag tinignan mo siya, parang may tone of green, may tone of blue na aqua blue, ganun. Pero when you write it, it's like dark blue. Hindi mo mapapansin yung pagka-green and pagka-blue niya. Not unless siguro natutukan mo ng araw. Pero the ink itself, ang ganda, sobrang ganda, kaya binili ko to. Kaya sabi ko, okay, similar to black, tapos may mga undertone siya, okay na. Okay na sa akin to. Kukunin ko na, and it's a limited edition color daw. Hopefully, makakita ako ulit nito. Pero for sure, makakita ako nito sa ibang bansa. Tapos, nag-ikot pa ako sa store. Naghahanap talaga ako ng notebook na may grid lines. Kasi nakita ko, may gusto kong sundan na journal na ginawa na mga nakita ko. And nakita ko sa Lamy ng grid line na notebook. Wait, tampoksan natin. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nito. Buti lang mabait yung staff na nag-assist sa akin dito sa Ayala Malls. I wasn't able to get her name, but she's really nice. Sobrang accommodating, and she really knows the products. Kaya nakakatuwa magtanong. So I ask everything about my fountain pen, ano yung mga do's and don'ts. Alam mo yun, those are the things that you have to ask your sales associate para alam mo kung paano mo aalagaan yung items mo. Okay. Kaya ako, ito yung sample ng notebook here. So, as you can see, there are grid lines. May gagawin ako dyan. May balak ako dyan sa grid lines na yan. Now, which is, I can start off on, actually, ano pa lang ba ngayon? Half of the month na, no? Sayang naman. Pero pwede na rin. We can start off today. Pwede ko na simulan today ito. Diba? Kaya ako bumili na dito sa Lamy ng notebook na rin kaysa maghanap pa ako. Kasi I asked them kung nagbo-block ba dito yung fountain pen, or pwede yung fountain pen dito na Lamy. Na which is, sabi nila, hindi naman nagbo-block yung fountain pen dito. So nagre-register siya ng maganda. Kaya sabi ko, sige, I'll try the Lamy notebooks na lang. Tingnan natin kasi for sure if it's the same brand, for sure tried and tested nila yung mga ball pen nila, ballpoint, fountain pen dito sa paper nila. So most likely sana hindi to magos. But anyway, sobrang excited na ako magsimula ng journal. So that's one thing na I'm going to start off sa coffee shop mamaya, yung journaling na to, para magawa na natin to. But anyway, isa din yun kaya sabi ko, bumili na rin ako ng ink doon sa Lamy kasi ang hirap gumamit ng ibang ink. Kasi baka mamaya mag-blot siya doon or mag-clog siya doon sa nib ng Lamy, lalo na pag hindi nila product. Kasi syempre iba yung material na ginamit, iba yung chemicals na ginamit. Kaya mahirap. Kaya if we can buy everything on the same brand, then let's buy everything on the same brand. So kung tatanungin nyo kung magkano nagastos ko today, huwag yun ang tanongin. It's not so important to talk about. Bahala na, pikit mata na lang for the journaling. Diba? Sana magtagal na lang to lahat ng items and sana mag-work na talaga. I'll start doing my journals in a traditional way now. Para mas masaya, diba? Okay, kaya yun. That's the thing that we're going to do in the coffee shop. Kaya samahan nyo ako at sisimulan natin tong journaling na to. So I'm getting this crab roe pasta. Typically it's an alige pasta with crab roe on top. So let's give it a try if it's really good.
Then I'll be the one to say that it's over and our love is gone. Our
Ang dami.
Walang crab yung ano.
Okay.
Saan ito nilalagay? Dito?
Okay.
Same?
Yung plato mo. Tanong mo to.
Isa ka din.
Hey guys, so now I'm driving off to the Pickle Hub here in Sukat. I'm going to try a new thing today bago mag-tennis mamayang gabi. So, sila pa rin kasama ko, yung mga tennis mates ko. So, ako, try ko lang yung pickleball. And I just woke up from my nap. Grabe, sobrang putol-putol yung tulog ko, but it's okay. I'm just going to enjoy this day since tomorrow naman late afternoon pa yung yung duty ko. So yan. Mag-enjoy na lang muna tayo. Today and kakain muna ako. Nagpa-take out ako sa kaibigan ko ng KFC. Para may makain muna ako. Kaya yan. So I'm just going to wait for him here na bilhin yung food ko. Anyway, ayan, I'll see you guys in the pickleball yard. Lagyan mo yung bowl sa'yo.
Mimix ko ba?
Hi there! Welcome to another daily vlog. So, I just finished having lunch at home. Now, I'm driving going to the bank. I just have to do my bank errands habang off ako. Then, after that one, I'm just going to the cafe, chill, and update all my journals. Then, let's see kung maglalaro kami mamaya ng pickleball or tennis. I'm not pretty sure, but I just brought my I just brought my racket with me here at the back. So, kompleto na yan sa likod ng car. Whatever the call is. Pero, definitely, I'm not going to stay out too late today. Kasi, tomorrow, I have an early morning flight going to Kansai. Kaya, it will be a long day tomorrow. Then, let's see. Siguro tomorrow, after flight ko, mag-cafe and dinner na lang ako bago ko umuwi. But now I'm just going to run some errands and I'll catch up with you guys.